Hi guys, welcome once again to my page. In this video I'm going to share with you how to make this authentic Ghanaian fish lice soup. So let's get into this video. Yeah, we're going to need ingredients. So I have here my smoked catfish. I'm going to be using this fish called anofina, and I have here my snails, my smoked shrimps. Yeah, this is going to be so simple guys, and I'm going to blend all my fresh vegetables as well. So next, we're going to be seasoning our soup. You can use any seasoning of your choice, but I prefer herb seasoning because it's healthy for you. So yeah, I hope you give it a try. So I'm adding here my salt. I'm going to blend all my veggies. And guys, I love this herb seasoning from Aldi's. It is so delicious. I hope you try it out. So go ahead and add it, and then you can add extra water and cover and have it simmer for about 20 minutes. Hey, the house smells so good. If you hear him, Papa. Yeah, so after 20 minutes, I'm gonna add more water just to bring it into boil. This is gonna help prepare the soup. So yes, and quite ultimately better than kasa. Of course, light soup without okra. Are you kidding me? Yes. So go ahead and add your okra, and you can add extra pepper for spice. Cover and have it boil. So but after that, I'm gonna add here 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, just to bring that rich beautiful color, just like that. So my fufu is ready guys. We're gonna prepare and enjoy with fufu, and of course, yeah, go ahead and serve and enjoy this delicious Ghanaian fish lice soup. This is so easy. All you need is just a simple ingredient, and guys, you are good to go. So dish it out and enjoy. I know my dad is gonna love this soup because that is his favorite. Yes, authentic Ghanaian fish lice soup is always the best option guys. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye.